guys, sorry I haven't posted a long video in a long time, but today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to get the new Purrowl. But what is the Purrowl? Well, as you can see, basically when you age up a pet, you'll get gifts, and the Purrowl can come out of that. So I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on that. So here are the rewards. And then another tip is to always have commons out, or if you don't want to use commons, because I mean it is kind of low to get Purrowls with that, then use legendaries, because that actually ups your chances to get the Purrowl, and it's so fun to do. Another tip is to always use your pet pen, because once you do, all 4 or 5 of them will give you gifts, so you'll have 4 or 5 gifts, upping your chances to get again. Then my next tip is to always grind age up potions if you want, but always have like a mega out sometimes, so you can use those age up potions on like a common or any pet, and then get like 4 or 5 gifts. I don't remember. Is it 4 or 5? 5 gifts, yeah. And then it ups your chances to get it, because then you get more gifts, you know? My next tip is to always have like multiple pets at a time. So if you don't have the pet pro, you know, that's okay. All you have to do is make an alt account, and then you take the pet, and then have your alt account like go somewhere else so that you could take care of it. Sorry, this is like a really short video. Now I'm gonna have to go because busy, but I'll try to post more for you guys. Bye, guys.